More women are ditching dye and embracing their natural grey hair, a bold power move that shows confidence and style. When it's done right, grey hair looks modern and effortlessly flattering. However, a few common mistakes can dull the effect. That's why I'm sharing the 5 biggest grey hair mistakes women over 60 should avoid. So grab a cup and watch with me till the very end. Let's dive into the first one. Mistake number 1. Grey without a plan. Deciding to stop colouring your hair can feel exciting, but it's normal to have mixed emotions the first time you consider going grey. This process takes patience, and without a clear plan, your hair can look unfinished. That's why it's important to be sure about your decision from the start. When you do it right, the end result can be stunning, a silver style that feels intentional and confident. Even after committing to grey, regular visits to your stylist are still important, especially in the early stages. Unless you're planning a dramatic chop, you'll want to keep hair appointments every 6 to 8 weeks. Your stylist can gradually lighten your base colour and add subtle highlights at the roots, helping grey blend naturally while keeping your hair looking polished. It's also key to consider your hair's changing texture. Grey strands are often drier, coarser, and less elastic than coloured hair, so they need extra care to look healthy and vibrant. Hydrating masks, protein treatments, and clear glosses can restore softness, smooth the cuticle, and boost shine, making your grey hair feel alive rather than dull. Whether you're letting your grey grow out because you're courageous, practical, or simply ready for a change, having a plan ensures the transformation looks deliberate, not accidental. Think ahead, care for your hair's evolving needs, and embrace the patience this process requires. With the plan set, it's time to focus on the cut and shape of your hair. How it naturally falls and moves can make all the difference. Mistake number 2, the texture trap. When it comes to grey hair, this is one of the easier mistakes to fix. Grey hair has a unique texture, and how it's cut and styled can completely change how it looks. Too much layering, heavy face-framing pieces, or extra waves can make hair appear wiry, frizzy, or uneven. It might seem like texture adds life, but on grey strands, it often scatters light and emphasizes coarseness, which can make hair look dull or harder to manage. A precision cut with minimal layering is usually the best approach. Soft, intentional shaping keeps grey hair looking balanced and tidy, while still allowing natural movement. Gentle waves, subtle curls, or a slight bend in the strands can help different shades of grey blend together, reflecting light and giving hair dimension. On the other hand, rigid poker straight styles can feel severe or aging, particularly as facial features naturally soften over time. It's also important to consider how texture interacts with hair care. Grey strands are often drier and more brittle, so using the right products and styling techniques can reduce frizz and enhance shine. Air drying when possible, avoiding excessive brushing when wet, and working with natural movement rather than against it will make a noticeable difference. Lightly diffusing curls or scrunching waves can enhance natural texture without adding frizz. Another factor to consider is how grey hair reacts to humidity. Even small changes in the air can affect grey strands more than coloured hair, making them frizz or lose shape. Using lightweight anti-humidity products or styling when hair is slightly damp rather than fully dry can help grey hair maintain its natural movement and prevent it from looking unruly, even on damp or humid days. When the cut and texture are handled thoughtfully, grey hair can look healthy and elegant, rather than dull or unkempt. This is one area where small adjustments, like softening layers or embracing gentle waves, create a big visual impact. But even with the perfect cut, the next challenge is just as important: how you care for your hair daily can make or break the look. Mistake number 3, product overload. One of the most common grey hair mistakes is going overboard with products. The moment you decide to grow out your grey, it's easy to start hunting for the perfect shampoo, mask, and treatment. Social media, forums, and countless ads make it tempting to believe you need dozens of specialty items to keep your silver strands healthy. The truth is, most of the products you already love will still work well, especially if they're free from sulfates, silicones, and parabens. For the majority of the transition, you only need a few carefully chosen essentials. If any adjustments are needed, they're simple. Blue shampoo is helpful to neutralize brassy orange tones from fading brunette dye, and purple shampoo can brighten yellowing grey roots, but use it sparingly, no more than once a week, to avoid turning hair slightly lavender. Conditioning treatments and glazing services from your stylist every few months can maintain shine and smoothness without overcomplicating your routine. Another big mistake is skipping hair oils. Grey strands are often drier and more brittle, so a few drops of a high-quality hair oil can go a long way in keeping hair hydrated and soft, whether you air dry or blow dry. Oils also help maintain shine and tame flyaways, giving grey hair a healthy, intentional look without heavy styling. It's also important to pay attention to scalp health. As grey hair grows in, the scalp can become drier or more sensitive, especially if products are layered heavily. Using a gentle exfoliating scrub or a soothing scalp massage once a week not only improves circulation, but also promotes stronger, shinier strands from the root, giving grey hair a fuller, more vibrant appearance. The key here is less is more. Overloading on products can weigh hair down or create build-up, while a few targeted items keep it manageable, radiant, and strong. Paying attention to your hair's needs, rather than following every trend, allows grey hair to look polished without being high maintenance. And while products make a difference, they can't do it alone. Remember, daily habits are just as important for keeping grey hair vibrant, which brings us to the next mistake. Mistake number 4, skipping protection. Grey hair is delicate, and without the right protection, it can quickly lose its brightness and shine. Sun exposure, heat styling, pollution, and even everyday water can all subtly dull your silver strands, leaving them looking lackluster. To keep grey hair vibrant, it's important to take preventive steps. When spending time outdoors, wearing a hat or using a UV protectant spray helps shield your hair from the sun. Minimizing heat styling preserves texture and reduces breakage, and whenever heat tools are necessary, a quality heat protectant is essential. Pollution and product buildup can also weigh hair down, so using a gentle clarifying shampoo once a week keeps grey strands clean, bright, and lively. Swimming pools and saltwater deserve extra attention too. Even if you're not heading to the pool or beach every season, when you do, chlorine and salt can leave grey hair looking dull or brassy. Applying a conditioner to damp hair before swimming creates a protective barrier and helps maintain colour and shine. Grey hair also benefits from the right tools and pampering habits. Natural bristle or boar bristle brushes distribute scalp oils along the strands for smoother, shinier hair. Gentle hair ties, a break from constant heat, help preserve texture and reduce breakage. One often overlooked aspect is nighttime care. Grey hair tends to tangle and rub against fabrics more easily while sleeping, which can cause breakage and dullness. Wrapping hair in a silk scarf, using a silk pillowcase, or loosely braiding longer strands before bed can protect grey hair, maintain shine, and keep textures smooth, so mornings require less work and styling. Taking these small precautions ensures grey hair stays healthy, soft, and polished without requiring major effort. Protecting your hair from the elements is important, but there's one everyday factor you might be overlooking that can quietly affect grey strands. Mistake number 5, ignoring shower water. Grey hair can be affected by more than just the sun or styling tools. Even the water you use every day can make a difference. You might already protect your hair from chlorine in swimming pools or salt water at the beach, but your shower water is actually the one you use most often, and it can really dull your silver strands. Hard water, which contains minerals like calcium and magnesium, along with chlorine in tap water, can leave grey hair dry and lifeless. A simple solution is to use a shower head that filters out chlorine and heavy metals. There are great options with built-in filters that are surprisingly affordable. Many quality models sit under a reasonable price point and still help improve softness and shine. If installing a filtered shower head isn't doable right now, another budget-friendly option is to use a handheld filter attachment or even a filter bag that slips over your shower arm. These alternatives still reduce mineral buildup and make a noticeable difference without a big investment. If none of those are possible at the moment, occasional clarifying shampoos designed for grey hair can also help remove mineral buildup. Using a clarifier once a week is enough to maintain brightness without stripping essential moisture. Taking even small, everyday adjustments, whether it's upgrading your shower head, adding a simple filter, or using a clarifying treatment, protects grey hair from dulling and helps keep it polished and healthy. When this is combined with the right cut, care routine, and protection from the elements, grey hair looks intentional and elegant every day. Well, are you guilty of any of these grey hair mistakes? Then this next video will show you easy ways to care for your silver strands and keep them looking their best.